Do you know why? What I'm about to share with you is truly a deeply disturbing story. It may shock you, but this is reality. So, about 1 year ago, I made a personal visit to this family's house about mortgage protection insurance. The wife was a stay at home mom with 3 kids, and the husband was the sole provider. The protection plan was for the husband, since he was the breadwinner and the only one working. This was clearly important to them. At the time, the husband was about 40 years old and his wife was 35 with 3 small kids. They just bought a beautiful home in Arizona. The husband was making great money as an IT tech, working at Intel. So the appointment went pretty good, and I got the husband a $250,000 mortgage life policy to cover his house in the event of a death or illness. I got him an affordable premium. The policy was approved and issued, just like any normal day for me. Well, about a year later, I received this disturbing text from the wife. This is the actual screenshot of the text message. Hello, Scott. This is Deborah in Chandler. My husband passed away 3 days ago. You got him a $250,000 life policy a year ago. I called the insurance company and they said he canceled it. Please tell me this isn't true. Deborah, I am so sorry to hear that. My deepest condolences. Let me find out what happened. Yeah, I'm afraid to tell you this, but it looks like he canceled 6 months ago. His premium was $68 a month. Oh my God, what am I going to do? He left me and my 3 kids with no money to live on. I don't know why he would do this. So when I got that text, my heart sank. My stomach was in a knot. I cried. I get choked up thinking about it right now. I don't know about you guys, but I went home that night and I hugged my wife and I let her know how much I love her, and I would never do that to her. So I later learned that he was in a car accident and he was killed instantly. So the husband could clearly afford the premium, but I remember at the appointment how he was saying, oh my God, I'm going to live until I'm 80 and then die. Or there's no serious illness that runs in my family. My grandma's 98 years old and she's doing great. Why do I even need this? His wife and I both thought he was being a little ridiculous and naive about the conversation. His wife, Deborah, finally called him out in front of me. And I think now he just got the policy because his wife wanted him to. I can tell you right now, the reason why he canceled that policy is because he was a selfish man. The bottom line is, he did not tell his wife he canceled the policy, thinking he was going to live to be 80 for some reason. And this is the devastation that occurs when someone does a selfish act like this. Don't ever get a plan like this or any type of life insurance if you're not doing it for yourself. When you die, this is for them. This is for your loved ones. This is not about you. You don't need permission to ask. You don't need permission to ask your spouse, your mom, your kids. You do not need permission from anyone to leave this kind of gift behind when you die. And if you do, it's an excuse, and it's a bad one. As your expert in the business, I too can help you with the options on getting a plan. No matter your age, your health, your budget you may have, there is no excuse. There's no reason why you can't take care of your family today. I want to give you this opportunity to take advantage of a personal discovery call with me.